In this video, we are currently seeing multiple bearish signals for the bigger time frame as well as the smaller time frame for the Bitcoin price. For sure, this will affect the whole crypto market, so this is why you need to watch this video. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video first. So let's look at the Bitcoin short term. So if you're going to see, we are actually following this currently na meron tayong double top. So technically, a double top is a bearish pattern to the downside. It's a trend reversal pattern. So ang technical target natin dyan is by getting this height from resistance and then lagay natin siya sa point of breakout, which is a neckline. And you would see ang technical target natin would be the 43.8k level. So 43.8k level would be our target. And yeah, kailangan nyo i-watch out yung level na yan kasi meron tayo actually discrepancy na nakikita dito. But papakita ko siya mamaya. But for this one, kailangan natin ng candle close below the neckline in order to confirm the move. Sa ngayon, hindi pa tayo confirm. Kasi kung wala pa tayong confirmation dyan, possible na mag-bounce off lang dyan si Bitcoin price. So kailangan nyo abangan yan kung ano ba mangyayari dyan. And only trade this if ever nagkaroon tayo ng candle close below with volume. So yun yung kailangan nyo tandaan guys before entering into any position. So right now, wala pa tayong confirmation kasi hinintay pa natin siya mag-play out. And also, it's also worth noting na meron din tayong bearish divergence na nag-form, declining yung RSI natin with an increasing price. So that is actually a trend reversal to the downside. And you would actually also notice na yung MACD natin is currently gaining momentum to go to the downside. So ang dami natin bearish signals right now for the Bitcoin price. So, kailangan nyo abangan siya. Looking at the moving averages, na-break na natin yung 20 moving average. And our next target for that one would actually be this 50 moving average. So, sa ngayon, ang dami natin multiple bearish signals. Pero, wala pa tayong confirmation yet. Not unless ma-break natin yung neckline. Next also is, if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, sa early time frame, makikita mo na iba yung ating neckline na sinusundan. Kasi, you would actually see, yung ating neckline dito is actually way below pa. So, sa ngayon, yung kanyang neckline is further below, which is this area of around 44.7k as compared kanina na 45k. So, 44.7k or 44.8k yung kanyang neckline. And our technical target for this one would actually be much further from the original target kanina. So, if you're going to follow the early time frame, you would actually see na 43.1k ang target. So, depende sa'yo kung ano yung magiging selection mo dyan. Pero ako, pipiling ko mas conservative, which is yung 43.8k. And yeah, same goes with the 4-hour time frame. May bearish signals tayo and yung momentum for MACD is gaining to the downside. Or yeah, kailangan pa din natin ng confirmation kung magkakaroon tayo ng candle close below and ng volume. And if you are also going to look at this in the bigger time frame, which is a daily time frame, you would actually see na yung ating bearish divergence is actually seen at that part lang. Pero if you're going to zoom out, itong area na to, may mas malaking bearish divergence tayo nag-form sa bigger time frame. So right now, we are actually seeing multiple bearish signals both in the short term, mid term, and long term. So if this plays out, itong mas malaking bearish divergences na makita mo sa daily, then ang ating possible target dito is actually the 42.3k area. So 42.3k area would be our first target, and if na-break natin yan, then of course, our next technical target is actually the 38.2k area for the Bitcoin price. So right now, kailangan muna natin ma-break yung short term bago tayo mag-head in dito sa ating longer time frame or bigger time frame na movement. But yeah, ang dami natin bearish signals ngayon for the Bitcoin price. And if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng bump dito, possible na mag-consolidate tayo with this Fibonacci area. Pero if na-break natin yung Fibonacci na yan at lalo tayong nag-decline further, then of course, yung pag na-break natin yung 42.3k, we might actually play between the 38k up until this 42k area. So right now, ang dami nating kailangan nating tingnan na levels. So for the short term, ang kailangan nyo tingnan is this 44.8k area. For the 4-hour time frame, yung kailangan nyo tingnan is the 45k. And ang technical target would be that 43.8k and 43.1k for the shorter and midterm, for the short and midterm targets. Pero sa ating bigger time frame, which is a daily time frame, ang technical target talaga is this 42.3k. And if na-break natin yan, and then doon natin titingnan yung 38k target natin for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, if nag-enter kayo dyan, that's actually the best time to stake your coins. And the best place to stake your coins is actually in crypto.com's crypto earn. And so in crypto.com, you can earn actually up to 8.5 interest per annum in staking your coins and 14% on stable coins. So if you want to learn how to stake your coins and how to earn more passively by staking your coins, I highly suggest na you watch this video. Ilalagay ko yung link nitong video sa description natin down below, or makikita mo yung card dyan sa taas na ida-direct kayo dito sa video na to. So yeah, panoorin nyo yan guys if you want to earn passively sa ating mga coins. Now let's dive into other altcoins such as Ethereum. So previously for Ethereum, may fina-follow actually tayo na ascending triangle. So yun nga yung ascending triangle nag-break to the upside. However, ito sinasabi ko na walang volume na kailangan nyong i-watch out. Kasi pag wala tayong volume upon that breakout, possible na magkakaroon tayo ng resistance at magdo-throwback siya to the downside. So yun yung nangyari sa atin ngayon, nagkaroon siya ng resistance. Pero right now, on top of that chart, may nag-form tayo actually na bagong pattern which is this rising wedge. And this rising wedge is traditionally a bearish pattern, and our technical target for this rising wedge is actually by getting the bottom of the wedge, and ang bottom of the wedge is actually this 2.9k area or roughly 2,930 area. So possible na yun yung maging target natin, pero right now there's no volume din in our breakout. So ayun, walang volume itong breakout, no volume. So possible na pwede tayo magkaroon dyan ng support, or if let's say nag-breakdown pa tayo dito, 3K na yung magiging support natin for this area. So, no volume siya, no sell volume, so possible na magkaroon nga siya ng support. Pero technical target dyan would be the 2,930 US dollar area for the Ethereum price action. You would actually also notice na if you're going to zoom out, meron din tayong bearish divergence on top of this movement. And let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Kasi in the 4-hour time frame, you would actually also notice na meron din tayong bearish divergence. So right now, same goes with the Bitcoin price. Madami din tayong bearish signals for the Ethereum price action. Now, for Cardano. So, for Cardano, after meeting our target, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Once na nag-pump na yung coin, hindi yun good time to buy. Tapos na yung opportunity nyo na mag-enter sa position na yun. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, the video yesterday was not about buying. It's all about taking your profits. So, I hope you took out your profits from this area kasi that would be actually one of the best time to sell some of your short-term position and re-enter at some point dito sa ating mga levels na yan. But the question is, what's the next move for Cardano? So for Cardano, ang next move natin dyan would actually be by going to this 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So possible na mag-decline pa tayo kasi ang layo pa natin sa 20 moving average. Oh. So I don't think na it's a good thing to enter pa dito sa area na yan. I highly suggest na if you're going to enter, follow a dollar cost average. Right now, there are no technical targets dito for na Cardano. Pero let's say maglagay tayo ng support dito following this area. So ang major support natin dito would actually be the $1.62 level. So, that would be a good support. However, yung ating moving average is already above that $1.62. So, ang technical target talaga natin dito is the 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, yun yung kailangan nyo i-watch out ngayon for Cardano. And yeah, overbought siya, and we are also gaining a momentum to go to the downside for the MACD. So, kailangan nyo i-watch out yun guys for Cardano. So for BNB, ang technical target natin is actually the $465 level. So lagyan na natin siya ng resistance. And right now, we are just halfway through that movement pa. So pwede ka pa actually humabol once na nag-dip pa tayo dito further. And ano ba yung magiging target natin dito? Of course, dito 20-day moving average yung ating 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is yung target. And possible na mag-decline pa tayo dyan and somehow makuha ng support dyan. Pero if nakuha tayo ng support dyan, then that's where I believe na pwede kang mag-enter. At para makahabol ka dito kay BNB kasi so far, sobrang okay pa yung movement natin kay BNB. Yun nga lang, galing tayo sa overbought movement. As you can see, meron din tayong momentum to go to the downside. So, I highly suggest na when buying the dip, follow a dollar cost average strategy in buying para if ever na mag-dip pa, may pambili pa kayo. So, yeah, that's for BNB. For SLP, ang update ko dyan sa inyo previously, diba, kailangan niya ma-break yung ating 100 moving average dito kay SLP to US dollar in order to flip bullish. So right now, hindi pa natin siya na-break. So that's why nag-decline pa din tayo. And sinabi ko sa inyo, ang technical support dito would be the 20 cents area or 19 cents area. Pero right now, we are breaking that. Wala na tayo ibang technical support other than this 17 cents area. So possible na mag-decline pa si SLP if lalo pa nag-decline si Bitcoin. But yeah, sa ngayon, hindi tayo nag-flip bullish kasi na-resist tayo ng 100 moving average. And following this in the SLP to Ethereum price, sabi ko sa inyo dito, diba, the 200 moving average will be crucial for the SLP price. So, resisted din tayo dyan kay SLP. So, hindi pa tayo bullish. Sabi ko sa inyo, magiging bullish lang kay SLP pag na-break natin yung certain moving averages para mag-pump tayo to the upside. Pero ngayon, hindi pa natin siya nakikita. So, as of now, hindi pa tayo bullish kay SLP both in the Ethereum charts, and US dollar charts. For Axie Infinity, overbought na kahapon, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, it's not a good time to enter na kasi hulin na tayo dyan. So right now for Axie Infinity, possible na mag-decline tayo up to the 20 moving average din. So pretty much the same siya for the whole crypto market, yung ating analysis. May momentum to go to the downside, overbought sa RSI. So masyado na nag-pump yung altcoins kahapon. So I believe na this is more of a consolidation or somehow a pullback. Though this is a healthy pullback kasi karamihan sa inyo iniisip na, oy, bull trap yan. So I believe na dapat wag ka mag-enter dyan. Hindi naman ganun yung case niya. Ang case nito kasi is more on pullback kasi masyado tayo nag-pump. So somehow, kailangan natin ma-reset yung ating indicators, yung RSI and MACD, para maging healthy ulit yung movement natin for all coins dito sa ating crypto market space. So yeah, ayun guys, yun lang yung update natin for today. Watch out lang for this Bitcoin movement kasi this would be a very big movement, especially dito sa ating daily time frame. So yun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.